Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone 16 Pro Max and you update iOS 26 latest version in your iPhone, so you receive tremendous change of camera, video or pictures clarity. In this video, we will see which one is the best camera set to capture the photo and record the video. Let's check it out on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Here, I just simply enter the setting, general, software update. First of all, I will show you I updated iOS 26 developer beta version. So we just go back and scroll down. Here the camera option is available. First is camera control. You just simply tap it here. Inside the camera control, bunch of different option is available. First one is a camera option. So here the camera, if you click here, so the camera is automatically open. Look at this here. If I click here, so look at this, the camera is open like this. It's easy. We can go back. Afterward, single click or double click. I always prefer single click. You should always prefer single click, or depend upon your requirement. Requires screen on, yes or no. During the capturing video or during recording the video, you want screen on. I personally use, and I can recommend you can on the screen always, because of you can very easily recognize. Second thing, camera adjustment. Here the option is available. You can do here custom camera adjustment like exposure, depth, zoom, camera style and tone, and some other features. If you want to use customize, I turn it on this feature. After that, you just simply exposure. I already on all the features. Simply go back. Here the lock face I enable. Accessibility, here the default accessibility, camera control. So we can go back here, and the photo style, which style you want, like accordingly you should decide, like a standard. Here the gold, vibrant, natural. Personal recommendation, if you like the photos like any vivid filter, so you should use like gold. The gold comes similar kind of same like a vivid filter. Enter here. I select photography style is a gold. After that, the recording video. As a recording video point of view, I always prefer and recommend 4K at 120 frame per second. High efficiency. Show PAL format. Turn it on PAL format. Enhance the stabilization. So yes, I active enhance the stabilization because of iPhones are stable like this. If your hand shake like this, so stabilization are providing very. So this one is really nice. We can go back here, and the slow motion as it is 4K 120 frame per second. Cinematic mode by default 4K 30 frame per second. Here the record sound spectral audio. If you record the video in public area or traffic or noisy area, so you always use spectral audio. Turn it on. After that, you can change the video voice. I already put it the link, so you should click this video and watch how to use spectral audio and what is the difference between. All the information I already recorded. You just simply watch this video, so you can very easily understand. Record the sound. Allow always playback. Enable wind noise reduction. I always enable this one. We go back here, and the format high efficiency, most compatibility. If you have all the product is iPhone, you share your family member, everyone are using Apple product, so I can recommend here high efficiency. But if you share your photo or data like Android phone or Samsung or different types of different branded phones and Windows laptop, so I can recommend here most compatibility is one of the best option. So you can share anywhere, anyone can access very easily. Photo mode by default I select here 24 megapixel. Here Pro RAW resolution, here the like JPG. Most compatibility I select here, and here the lock features by default I select in format. Preserve setting, inside the preserve setting I enable all each and every option. Here the use volume up I enable. Scan QR code, show detected text, grade level, mirror front camera, view outside the frame, and this option they are providing totally new. Inductors, live photo and action mode. So I just simply turn it on. Action mode and live photo is also available here. After that, here all the features I enable this one. We can go back here and I will show you. If I enter here, this is the camera. I record here video. If I tab here, the left hand side top of the screen JPG. So here two options is coming here, JPG 48 megapixel camera, and you can capture the picture. You can change this one resolution as well, raw photo, JPG photo. So I personally recommend here we select here JPG in 48 megapixel. As it is, we can go back here in the video section. Inside the video section, if you click here top of the screen, here the log, and here resolution HD and 4K. I select here the 4K and 24, 30, 16, 120 frame per second. So by default I select here 120 frame per second. Here PAL, why we use the PAL? If you record the video in dark mode in light section, and if you select 4K and 120 frame per second, so blinking option is coming here. So that condition you should select here 4K and 100 frame per second. You should access the camera, record the video, capture the photo, and you see the difference between previous iOS version and latest iOS 26. Definitely you receive impressive upgradation. So this is the simple tips and tricks. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.